Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're sharing some creative stone art decor ideas to elevate your space. From wall art to home accents, we'll explore different ways to incorporate stones into your decor. Let's get started. Stone, with its enduring nature and inherent beauty, has long been a source of inspiration for artists, designers, and architects alike. From the towering, awe-inspiring stone monuments of ancient civilizations to the delicate, intricately carved sculptures adorning our modern cityscapes, stone has the remarkable ability to evoke a sense of permanence, strength, and connection to the natural world. And as our appreciation for sustainable and eco-conscious design continues to grow, the use of stone in home decor has seen a resurgence, with designers and homeowners alike embracing the material's timeless allure and its ability to imbue a space with a sense of timeless elegance and sophistication. One of the most captivating aspects of stone art decor is the sheer diversity of forms and applications it offers. Whether you're drawn to the rugged, weathered charm of natural stone, the sleek, polished elegance of marble, or the intricate, mesmerizing patterns of quartz, the creative potential of this material is truly boundless. Imagine, for instance, a stunning, large-scale stone sculpture serving as the dramatic focal point of a minimalist living room, its imposing presence commanding attention and evoking a sense of awe and wonder. Or envision a meticulously crafted stone fireplace around, its intricate carvings and unique veining patterns adding depth, texture, and a touch of refined sophistication to the space. But stone art decor isn't limited to just large-scale, statement-making pieces. It can also be beautifully incorporated into a wide range of smaller, more subtle design elements. Imagine a series of delicate, stone-carved coasters adorning a sleek, modern coffee table, or a collection of etched stone vases and bowls adding a touch of natural elegance to a minimalist dining room sideboard. But the true beauty of stone art decor lies not just in its aesthetic appeal, but in the way it can imbue a space with a sense of timelessness and connection to the natural world. By incorporating stone elements into our living spaces, we're not only creating visually striking and captivating environments, but also fostering a deeper appreciation for the Earth's natural wonders and the enduring craftsmanship of human hands. Imagine, for instance, a tranquil, stone-accented meditation space, where the cool, tactile surfaces and earthy hues of the material invite a sense of grounding and inner calm. Or envision a serene, stone-lined garden pathway, its weathered textures and natural variations offering a soothing counterpoint to the lush, verdant foliage surrounding it. As we continue to explore the boundless creative potential of stone art decor, I'm excited to see how designers, artisans, and visionaries will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether it's through the creation of awe-inspiring, large-scale sculptural pieces, the innovative use of stone in architectural and functional design elements, or the seamless integration of this remarkable material into our daily lives, the future of stone art decor is brimming with endless possibilities. World of modern decor, a realm where sleek lines, minimalist elegance, and a focus on clean, streamlined aesthetics reign supreme. As we delve into this dynamic design style, let's uncover the endless creative possibilities it holds and how it can breathe new life into our living spaces. At the heart of modern decor lies a deep appreciation for simplicity, functionality, and the harmonious integration of form and function. Gone are the days of ornate, overwrought designs. Instead, modern interiors embrace a pared-down, uncluttered approach that celebrates the inherent beauty of the materials and the architectural elements themselves. One of the hallmarks of modern decor is the emphasis on clean, geometric shapes and bold, statement-making silhouettes. Imagine a sleek, angular sofa with crisp, clean lines, its minimalist design punctuated by the warm, natural tones of a solid wood frame. Or envision a series of geometric, suspended light fixtures casting a soft, diffused glow over a modern dining space, their simple, yet captivating form serving as a focal point for the room. But modern decor isn't just about the furniture and lighting, it's also about the intentional curation of space, the thoughtful placement of design elements, and the harmonious integration of materials and textures. Imagine, for instance, a modern living room where the stark white walls and polished concrete floors provide a clean, neutral canvas for a carefully curated arrangement of sleek, low-profile seating, punctuated by the warm, natural tones of a subtly grained wood accent table and the soft, tactile appeal of a plush, neutral-toned area rug. And speaking of materials, the world of modern decor is a veritable treasure trove of captivating options, from the timeless elegance of polished marble and the industrial chic appeal of stainless steel to the warm, natural allure of solid wood and the sleek, contemporary sheen of lacquered surfaces. By masterfully blending and juxtaposing these diverse materials, designers and homeowners alike can create truly breathtaking, visually striking environments that seamlessly merge form and function. But modern decor isn't just about the visual aesthetics, it's also about fostering a sense of mindfulness, calm, and intentionality within our living spaces. By embracing the principles of minimalism and streamlining our environments, we can create a sense of openness, clarity, and serenity that nourishes the mind and soul. Imagine, for instance, a modern bedroom where the absence of clutter and the prevalence of clean, uninterrupted surfaces allows the mind to rest and recharge. Or envision a modern home office, its sleek, efficient design and carefully curated elements inspiring focused, productive work. As we continue to explore the boundless creative potential of modern decor, I'm excited to see how designers and homeowners will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether it's through the integration of cutting-edge smart home technologies, the innovative use of sustainable and eco-conscious materials, or the seamless blending of indoor and outdoor living spaces, the future of modern decor is brimming with endless possibilities. So, let your imagination be guided by the principles of modern design, the emphasis on simplicity, functionality, and the harmonious integration of form and function. Discover the myriad ways in which this captivating design style can transform your living spaces, inspire your creative vision, and foster a deep sense of calm, clarity, and intentionality within your everyday life. The journey of modern decor is one of endless fascination and reward, and I'm thrilled to continue exploring it with you. That concludes our video on stone art decor ideas. Whether you're looking to add a natural element to your space or showcase your creativity, there are endless possibilities when it comes to incorporating stone art into your decor. We hope you feel inspired to try out these ideas in your own home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative decor tips and DIY projects. Until next time, happy decorating!